Tired of staring at a blank page for hours? Let AI build your entire Hostinger page in seconds. Here is the deal. You sit down, you log into your website builder, and you have that empty white canvas staring back at you. It is intimidating. You start second-guessing every font choice, every image placement, and suddenly an hour has gone by and you have nothing. I have been there. So today I am going to show you exactly how to access the AI page generator inside Hostinger, how to write a description that actually works, and how to get a complete, polished page generated in just a few clicks. Let me show you how this works. I have tested this feature extensively, so I can walk you through every detail. Start from your Hostinger dashboard. You want to open up your website builder and go to a new empty page. This is the blank slate we are going to work with. Just get to that fresh canvas. Now look for the magic wand icon. It is called auto_awesome, and it is usually floating around the top or the side of your builder interface. It looks like a little star with sparkles. Click on that icon. When that menu pops up, you are going to see several options. Look for the one that says AI Page Generator and click on it. This is the tool that is going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Now you will see a button that says Create a Page with AI. Go ahead and click that to start the generation process. This opens up the main prompt window. And here is the really important part. Now for the key input. Click on the field that says Page Description. This is where you tell the AI what you want. Do not just type something generic like homepage or about us. Be specific. The AI needs context to give you something good. So let me click on that highlight next. See how it shows you a suggestion area. Hostinger is literally telling you how to get the best result. It says try to be descriptive for best results. So click on that tip and read what it says. It might offer you examples like a modern bakery website or a portfolio for a freelance photographer. Now look for the light bulb icon. Click on that. This gives you AI-generated suggestions for your description. It will offer you pre-written prompts based on different business types. This is a huge time saver if you are not sure what to write. Once you have a description that sounds good, and I recommend making it at least a sentence or two long, go ahead and click Create a Page with AI one more time. This finalizes your request. The AI is now working. It might take a few seconds to process, so just hang tight, and that is it. In the time it takes you to brew a cup of coffee, you go from a blank page to a fully designed layout with images, text blocks, and a structure that actually makes sense. No more design paralysis. No more staring at an empty screen wondering where to start. You can always tweak and customize after the fact, but having that foundation done for you in seconds is a game changer. Give it a try on your next page. I think you are going to love how easy it is.